Are you looking for something that's fresh, healthy, and easy to make? Does this salmon look delicious? Well, that's because it is. This is Honey Garlic Salmon, and it's very easy to make. It's fairly healthy, and it's oh so delicious. The recipe is in the description below, so be sure to look at that. And all the ingredients and steps are listed. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna get our salmon fillet. I got this from the supermarket, but sometimes I still like to check for the fish bones. Just running your fingers up and down the middle and the top. For any little pin bones, this one was clean. So good job, Fred Meyers. Next, we're gonna slice this fillet up into smaller fillets. You want them to be roughly 6 ounces each. I'm not really sure what that looks like, but I do know 4 of them fits in a pan. So I just cut up 4 pieces that look like they would fit in the pan nicely. Now we're going to make our glaze. We're going to put our honey inside of a medium-sized bowl along with our soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I just used the ends of the lemon that I sliced up. And then we're going to also add in our red chili pepper flakes. Make sure to give it a nice good whisk. Really incorporate the honey with the soy sauce and lemon juice. And then we're going to put that on the side. So let's get to cooking. For this recipe, I used an 8-inch pan, added a little bit of olive oil and set it to 360 degrees so that the oil wouldn't burn. And once your oil's nice and hot, give it a little swirl. And we're going to want to put the salmon skin down. So as you can see, that's not what you want. But this, that right there, and that right there, and that one right there, those are what you want. But it's okay if you mess up. Salmon's a little stuck, but I'm just going to flip it over. And honestly, at the end of the recipe, it still all tasted just fine. Next, you're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. And you're also going to put just a little bit of pepper on top. And after that, you're going to let it cook skin side down for 6 minutes. Once the 6 minutes are up, you're going to give your salmon a nice little flip. One at a time. With love and care. Gentle, gentle. Fish is very delicate. Next, you're going to add in your garlic and let that cook in the oil for about 30 seconds. Once you start smelling that sweet, sweet aroma of garlic, you're going to want to add in your glaze. And we're honestly almost there. Now, once the glaze is added, I like to baste the salmon just to really get all the salmon flavor and sauce flavor all over your salmon. And you want to cook your salmon in the glaze until it reduces about 1/3. Really just bathe that salmon. Bathe it in that sauce. And last but not least, serve it on a plate. Garnish with a slice of lemon. And just for fun, add a little bit more glaze on top. Personally, you could eat this with rice. You could eat this with asparagus. You could maybe eat this with a potato. I'm not sure. But for this taste test, I'm just going to eat it by itself and let you know. So immediately, I can tell that the skin is nice and crispy. So we're just gonna go straight for the salmon. It is juicy. It is tender. I was really happy with the way that this came out. I highly recommend this recipe. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you hate. Tell me what you want to see more of. And I'll see you next time.